Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming system updates and that Microsoft Word is installed. Do this now so you avoid interruptions. Once done, sign into your Microsoft account or enter the offline activation key. This unlocks autosave and templates. Then open Word from the Start menu or double-click a docx file to jump directly into the app. You're setting the environment so formatting, autosave, and cloud sync behave predictably. This saves time and prevents file version confusion later. Now create your document by selecting a template or a blank page. Templates speed repetitive tasks while blank gives full control. Use styles for headings and normal for body text so navigation and formatting stay consistent. Set margins N1, 15:1, 5 line spacing depending on readability needs. Insert images and tables with the Insert tab, and use the review pane to track changes or add comments. Make sure to save to OneDrive when possible so versioning and cross-device access work. Finish by running spelling and grammar, updating the table of contents, and exporting to PDF if needed. These steps lock the layout and catch errors. Once complete, use Save As to create a version copy and enable auto-save for files stored on OneDrive so you can revert if necessary. If Word crashes, try repairing Office from Settings, disable third-party add-ins, or start Word in safe mode to isolate the issue. This typically restores stability without losing your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.